Okay, I want to give you a quick walk around of the motorized bike, and it is really coming along. As you can see here, that is how the motor looks in the frame. And I mean, it's really coming along. Now, one thing I noticed that I'm gonna have to adjust, I'm gonna rerun this pipe. There's very slim clearance there, and I would hate to get a wheel bite, get into some kind of accident here. But that's the stance of the bike, and it's really looking nice. I didn't put the new wheel hub on, but I think I'm gonna run 18s. This is, this is 26-inch rim in the front and a 29 in the back. But I think I'm gonna do two 26s. So in the front, I'm gonna have to put a bar here so that way I can install some rim brakes. And I don't do disc brakes yet, as of yet, because I have to get a certain type of hub. Oh, and one last thing I want to mention. The motor mount itself looks great. As you can see, I've made videos on this motor mount here. But only down here, the key thing about this area right here is I have to drill a hole into the cast iron part of the mount. So that way there's 2 bolts in there right now. And I ran the engine and it runs great. But this is the update for the motorized bike. Do a quick walk around. I mean, it's gonna really look bad once I get the new pipes. I also got to put the gas tank on, but I love how that frame really opened up the space to put motors in it, and to change the motor out, it's gonna make it way easier. So I'm really gonna love this frame once I get the headlights on, tail lights, a rack, and some other great things I got planned for this bike. But yeah, that's the update.